Are your business sales going down? Are you working harder but seeing less profit, fewer customers, or slower cash flow? If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Many businesses across UK are facing falling sales, rising costs, and increasing pressure to stay compliant. The real question is not just why sales are dropping, but what you can do about it before it becomes a bigger financial problem. At Taxaccolega Chartered Accountants, we help businesses understand the numbers behind the problem and turn those numbers into practical solutions for growth. There are several common reasons why business sales go down. The first is poor cash flow management. Sometimes sales are happening, but the money is not coming in fast enough. Late paying customers, weak credit control, or high overhead costs can make a business feel like sales are falling even when revenue is still coming in. The second is pricing issues. If your prices are too low, your margins suffer. If they are too high without the right value strategy, customers may go somewhere else. Many businesses do not review pricing often enough, and that directly affects profitability. The third is lack of financial visibility. If you do not regularly review your management accounts, sales reports, expenses, and profit margins, it becomes difficult to see what is really going wrong. You cannot fix what you cannot measure. Another major reason is tax and compliance pressure. When bookkeeping is behind, VAT is not managed properly, or tax deadlines are missed, business owners spend more time firefighting and less time focusing on growth. Poor financial systems often lead to poor business decisions. And finally, some businesses simply do not have a clear growth plan. They are busy every day, but there is no financial strategy behind sales targets, budgeting, cost control, or expansion planning. This is where Taxaccolega Chartered Accountants can make a real difference. We do more than just prepare accounts and file tax returns. We help business owners understand what the numbers are saying and what actions to take next. We can help you by reviewing your sales trends, identifying where profits are leaking, improving your cash flow forecasting, and making sure your bookkeeping, VAT, payroll, annual accounts, and corporation tax are handled correctly. We also support businesses with better financial planning, stronger management reporting, and practical advice that helps you grow with confidence while staying fully compliant with HMRC and Companies House requirements. If your sales are going down, waiting too long can make the problem worse. The sooner you understand the cause, the sooner you can take control. Whether you are a startup, limited company, sole trader, or growing business, Taxaccolega Chartered Accountants can help you improve performance, strengthen compliance, and build a healthier business. If your business needs clarity, strategy, and support, now is the time to act. Speak to Taxaccolega Chartered Accountants today and let us help you turn falling sales into smarter growth. Thank you.